Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lina. So I'm going to review this foundation. It's the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. And so I've seen a lot of YouTubers, a lot of influencers using this, and it's quite trending. Everybody is using this. And I want to try it on my skin, as I have dry skin, and I'm searching for my perfect foundation. So I thought, why not I try this, I review this, and then give you my honest opinion about this one. So let's start with the video now. So guys, let's talk about the packaging of this foundation. It's like this, comes in a bottle like this, quite travel friendly. It's very cool. It retails for about 750 rupees, and it says that it is 24 hours full coverage. So I want to see if it actually lasts for that long. And we've tried a lot of other foundations by Maybelline. The Fit Me foundation is my favorite one. I still use it, but I thought let's try this one. And it's good for all skin tones, they say, and it's full coverage, so that's really surprising if it's really full coverage. And the shade that I picked up is 128 Warm Nude, so hopefully this is my shade. So let's try now. It comes in a pump like this, which is very cool. The Maybelline Fit Me, we had to open the bottle and then remove it, and all the foundation used to come into my hand. So I like this pump, which is very cool about this foundation. So I'm just going to remove some product now. And if you can see, it is quite thick. I'm going to apply it on my face now and see. So I haven't applied anything on my face, no primer, no, I've just moisturized my face a little, but there's no primer or anything else. So it is quite thick, the foundation, and I'm going to apply it on my face. So they say they have a lot of skin tones and skin colors for this foundation, and I got 128 Warm Nude, but this feels a little yellowish for my skin tone. Coverage wise, I think it covers everything. I have a little bit of acne. Let's see, let's apply it on this side and then see the coverage. So I'm going to take a little more product. So this is my acne side. Let's see if it hides the acne. I think it really hides my acne. The coverage is really good. So far so good. I like the coverage, and I just applied it once. So if you apply it twice, or a little more amount on your face, I think it is like a full coverage seam. It's really good. But skin tone, I think this is a little too light for my face, and it's a bit yellowish, I feel. It does cover your dark circles as well. and I personally also like to apply the foundation or concealer on my eyelids. So I'm going to do that. So guys, I've applied this foundation all over my face. The coverage is really good. So let me give you the pros and cons of this product. This is really good for people who have oily skin. I think it's making my skin a little dry, or maybe it's because I didn't apply a primer before using this. So first thing, you have to apply a primer before you apply this, and you know, it mattifies your skin. So it's really good for people who have oily skin, I think. And also if people who want to use it, if you have dry skin, then use a moisturizer, then use a primer, and then you maybe need to apply a, you know, fixing spray or something which will moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin. And it's smooth, it's nice, the packaging is really good. I like the packaging, and for this price I think it's a really good foundation. And it's not moving at all. It's in one place since the time I applied, and I like the whole look, but maybe this is not my skin tone, so maybe I have to go 2 to 3 shades lighter for my face. So guys, I like this product, but for people who have oily skin, guys, this is a great product for you guys. And if you have any other product that you want me to review, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, you can ask me here. And I'm also on Instagram, so follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. That's my Instagram official account. So follow me there, guys, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.